Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Man, I'm excited. 2020 GT500. We just got finished with, laid down well over 900 rural horsepower. Stick around, we're gonna watch a dyno pull. I'm gonna tell you what we did to get there. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, I can't wait for you to watch this dyno pull. This car is so fast, but here's what we did to get where we are right now. Well over 900 rural horsepower and more in store in the future. I'll talk to you about that in a minute. But here's what we have going. So, factory supercharger, ported by Jokers, awesome company. We have a VMP 103 throttle body. We have the JLT air induction system. ID 1300 injectors, VMP fuel rails, and of course E85. American Racing, long tube headers. And hey, if you have a question about these parts, I will put some links in the description so you can read more about it. But that's a very simple setup to get to where we got today. And then, like I said, there's some more in store in the future we're going to talk about. But first, watch this dyno pull. All right, we're gonna check out these numbers, but I didn't mention two parts we put on this. So we have the Whipple heavy duty belt tensioner, as well as the Whipple Supercharger intercooler 2.8 pulley, all right? So we have the 2.8 pulley on this, and 979 rural horsepower DynoJet SAE. I love that. Torque, 730, all right? This is where we stopped. So here's what's gonna be in store for the future. Before we talk about that, one more look, Doug, check this out. I love this 20 GT500. I'd like you to leave a comment maybe, like what do you think about the color? What color 500, if you were gonna buy one, would you wanna get? I'm thinking I would get black, I'm not sure. But go over here, Doug, look at the engine compartment. So what's next? We need to upgrade the fuel system on this car. You know, to get over 1,000, we're kinda at the limit of this factory fuel system and our weather we have here today in Indiana. So we would upgrade the fuel system. That's going to come up next. The client's going to pick this car up today, probably drive it for a month or two, then bring it back. We'll upgrade the fuel system and either go more boost to get us over that 1,000 rural horsepower safely. Possibly, he mentioned, a twin turbo setup. So I'm not quite sure what we're going to do next on this, but I think it's a sweet ride. So again, leave a comment if you have questions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.